Hello viewers, welcome back to Blossom Life Tarot, and today we are going to read the cards for you for the month of May 2021. We will see what energies are you inviting from the universe, what exactly you can expect coming towards you, and what is it that you should actually maintain distance from to keep your life calm, composed, and moving towards positive direction. So let's get ahead and to start with the first card which has come into picture is something which is a very beautiful card, and you'll have to look at it. It talks about abundance in life. It talks about doors of opportunity which are getting opened for you. The time has come that you will actually reap the benefits of the hard work what you have had put in past. So maybe you're working very hard towards something, Aries, and that's what you're getting the results out of it in the first week of May. First week looks like very positive week because this card, when I actually clarified this card, and the companion card of this one is the Six of Wands, and the Six of Wands always talks about what achievements, standing out in crowd. Maybe you were working on something beautiful, you were working on something which was like a dream project, and you wanted to be highlighted by people or in front of people. So the reputation you always wanted to build in front of your seniors at work, that's something which is happening. And I think along with that, since your hard work is paying you off in the month of May, Aries, the situation and the energies are so that it is going to be a winner situation for you. So you will not only be, recognized for your good work at work, but along with that, you're also getting benefits out of it. So a mid-year appraisal, or maybe a promotion is which was due for a long time, that is coming your way in the month of May, or maybe you will hear the news that it will be soon announced for you. So first week brings a lot of happiness and good news for you, Aries. And if I actually look at it from home front also, at home, at in your house also, I think there'll be a lot of reasons to celebrate a few things, like having a party, having a get together, or maybe you are calling friends over dinner or party. So that's something which is a beautiful energy here, isn't it? Or maybe you want to celebrate the same promotion you were working towards, and you have got the news now, so you want to celebrate it at a bigger level, and this is why you have organized a feast at house or at home. So this is what the first week talks about, Aries. With the positive energies, with the such beautiful energies, we are moving towards the second week of May. And what is it bringing for you? Well, it is an important message, and it is certainly an important message. Why? Because you are stagnant, in a stagnant phase right now. Stagnancy is actually stopping you to do things, but the time has come that you should actually take action now. You need to make it, or make it happen now or never. So if you were thinking about something for a long time, you were not sure about something for a long time, or you were thinking about a person you wanted in your life, or maybe you wanted to take a decision about, but then you were not making any move as of now. Well, the time has come that you should certainly make a move here and move forward. So decision making is something which is very important in the month of May, specifically the second week. That is required. You might want to make a, you might actually make a move, make a decision, or if you were stuck in a relationship, this card is actually, indicates towards not materialistic life, or I will not say it is a work related card, it is emotions related card. So it is a decision you want to make, or you wanted to make towards your emotional life. So maybe you were in a relationship where you wanted to decide that what should be my next step, or should I really go closer to this person more, or I should actually hold back myself, hold my horses right now. So I think the time has come that you should actually make a move here and move ahead in this relationship. Or if you want to take a decision, maybe you want to get separated from your partner, or you were just thinking about it, should you or should you not, I think the time has come. You actually make a move here, take a decision. That's very, very important. And people who are actually dealing with strained relationships right now, problematic relationships right now, The message for them is that the chances are of a reunion more than a separation, I will say. So maybe you will give one chance to your partner, or maybe your partner will decide to give you one more chance. So reunion cards are very much there, and the reason for reunion will be certainly your kids. So you're taking this decision not for yourself but for your family and your kids, and for a better life for them. So this is what the cards talk about in the second week. Well, with same energies, with such positive energies, I must say your cards are quite positive, Aries, this time. And May month is going to get you a lot of good things, a lot of very, very beautiful things. I'll tell you why. Because the third week has come up and has appeared in the reading with the most beautiful card of the tarot, and that is the Sun. Positivity is coming your way. Uh, if you were in dark for some time, you were not able to make any decisions about life for some time, well, the time has come. God will actually take away all that negativity out of your life. You will feel like that you're in a light again. You feel bright, you will feel happy. And along with that, if you were stuck in an energy for a long time, the time has come and you will have opportunity to meet new people. You will have an opportunity to meet new opportunities. So you might get into a new job altogether, where you will be benefited from the entire situation. And so the chances of third week is actually bringing a lot of light, a lot of life in your situation right now, and that is going to get you very, very good results in the month of May. Third week is all about opportunities, grabbing opportunities, meeting new people, making new unions. And there could be a possibility that you're already working somewhere, and simultaneously when you're working you get an opportunity, or a friend approaches you and says, I have an offer to make you, and then I want to hire you in my company. So it's like something which you already have in hand, and the other thing you are actually getting in hand. So you have two things at the same time all together, and you have to decide between them, and the chances are that you might accept the new one. Okay, so that's something which is beautiful. One more thing which is important here is your throat chakra, the way you talk. And talking, communication is going to play an important role in the fourth week for you, Aries. So please focus on that. Do not use harsh words. Use lapis for to meditate with. That's a very beautiful stone when it comes to meditating and healing your throat chakra. So use that. The communication will have impact on your achievements. So have you seen us? And I'm sure we all experience that when we have kids and got something beautiful in life, or maybe something to cherish about. Either the reason will be communication. So maybe your communication skills were so good that you were able to crack a new offer, because that is very much visible in the third week. And you will have reasons to celebrate by the fourth week. So the reason for celebrating will also be your throat chakra, your communication skills, and reason to lose something can also be your communication. So have good command on your communication skills. Do not use harsh words for people, and focus on yourself and your family a lot when it comes to dealing with them or talking to them. Okay, this is a beautiful reading, Aries, and it is going to be a milestone kind of a month for you in the year 2021. That I can really see. I'm taking one more message for you, which is your relationship message from the relationship deck, and we'll see what is it that the angels want to communicate to you when it comes to dealing with people around you. So the relationship card says, create space for new love. So new love towards new hobbies, or maybe new people in life. If you're stuck in a relationship, like I see that there can be a relationship related issue which you'll have to take a decision about in the second week. Well, here it is important that you please let go of things, people, elements about which when you think you feel hurt, or which are hurting you. Move ahead, move forward in life, and that's what the message is all about for you in the second week as well. That move ahead in life and have a beautiful and positive life altogether. Month is going to give you a lot of good things, a lot of positive things to think about. So take it ahead accordingly, Aries. Take care. Goodbye. Reach me on blossomlifetarot@gmail.com if you have any questions, or you can also reach me on 8448901791. That's another number where I am reachable. So take care and God bless you. Bye bye.